Irresistible charm, how to make him, her crave you. We all want to be irresistible to the opposite sex, and to make someone crave us can be a very powerful feeling. But how do we make someone crave us? We can start by understanding the psychology of attraction and using the right strategies to make ourselves more desirable. Attraction is a complex phenomenon that is determined by a variety of factors, including physical appearance, personality, and even social status. It is also influenced by our own self-confidence and how we present ourselves to others. Making someone crave us involves understanding these factors and working to make ourselves more attractive. This can be done by improving our physical appearance, such as through exercise and grooming, as well as by developing our personality and social skills. It is also important to cultivate a positive attitude and be confident in ourselves. People are naturally drawn to those who are self-assured and have a positive outlook on life. Having a good sense of humor and being able to make others laugh can also be a great way to attract attention. Making someone crave us also involves being a good listener and being able to make meaningful connections with them. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuinely interested in them and make them feel special. Showing genuine interest and being willing to listen to their concerns can be a great way to make someone crave us. Finally, it is important to be mindful of our body language and the signals we are sending out. Having open body language, such as making eye contact and smiling, can make us more attractive and make someone crave us. It is also important to be aware of our own boundaries and not be too forward. Making someone crave us can be a difficult task, but it is possible with the right strategies. By understanding the psychology of attraction and improving our physical appearance, personality, and social skills, we can become more attractive and make someone crave us.